In this video, we get Jira Agent Assist installation done. Make sure you have the Jira app already integrated. If not, follow Jira integration guide. Basically, head over to Apps, then connect Apps and select Jira. Now to install Agent Assist in Enjo, navigate to Global Settings, then to Agent Assist, and click on Add Widget. From there, select Jira and choose your configured domain, such as Workday IT. Once done, proceed to the next step. Great, now let's add the widget. You'll see that we've successfully installed Jira in the Enjo workspace. At this point, in the configuration section, it's time to add the necessary mapping. Click on Add Mapping, select AI Agent from drop-down. You can choose Workday for this step and proceed with testing. Everything looks good. Once AI Agents to handle all work items is selected, hit Submit. This AI agent is now mapped for use with Jira Agent Assist. With that set, let's move over to the Jira board for the installation. Head to Jira, and you'll find the Apps section. Click on Explore More Apps. In the Explore More Apps section, search for Agent Assist and hit Enter. You should see the Enjo Agent Assist AI Copilot. Go ahead and open it. Once it's open, you'll see the option to try it for free. Let's go ahead and select that. You'll be prompted to select a site. If you have multiple sites, a drop-down will appear for you to choose from. In case you have a single site, just select it. Review your selection, and once confirmed, proceed to review and install. Now, click on Start Free Trial. As soon as it's added to the installation, it'll set up accordingly. Refresh the page, and the app will be successfully installed in your Enjo Jira workspace. Let's check the Jira board. Open any case, and you'll see that Agent Assist has been successfully added. Upon first opening, it might take a moment to load. Once everything's loaded, you may need to refresh and update the theme. The Agent Assist has been successfully installed. Notice it has generated a summary. It also provides an AI-generated answer and KB generation. And just like that, we have successfully installed Agent Assist in both the Jira and Enjo. Thanks for following along.